Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to free up storage space on your Redmi Note 9 Pro. At first I do recommend to use the built-in cleaner in your phone. To do so, open security here and tap agree. Tap cleaner and here it will automatically scan your phone and you can clean your phone. As you can see, we have here 1 byte. Don't mind that. If you use your phone, you will here have more. It should work for you now. Unfortunately, we can tap deep clean, and here, as you can see, we can tap here clean now, delete selected data. Here, these two, delete. Okay, go back, clean now the applications, unused applications. Here, as you can see, we do have a lot of unused applications. We can select them each and tap uninstall. Apart from that, I do recommend to use the big files and the hidden folders, and to do so we have to just do something like I do now. Deep clean and these uninstall the applications and delete the files. It should work for you. Apart from that, I do recommend to move your media, for example your voice files or just documents, etc., to the cloud. For example, you can move it to the Google Photos, Xiaomi Mi Cloud, Google Drive, Dropbox, etc. It's very easy and very nice because we can move there a lot of items and free up our phone storage space. Apart from that, we can uninstall unused applications in our phone. So for example, here I don't really use the assistant. Here we can hold our finger on it, tap app info, and here we can tap in uninstall. And apart from that, we can use the micro SD card. Of course, if you have the SD card. We have in our phone the micro SD card slot, and we can place here, for example, the 128 gigabytes and move every single thing from our phone to the micro SD card. We can have a lot of SD cards and they are cheap, so we can use it as an alternative. Mostly it comes only to the photos, moving photos, but it's up to you. Apart from that, we can go to File Manager here. I'm going to continue, allow, and delete here all the duplicates of the files and unused documents. Here, as you can see, we do have the voice things, O2G files. We can tap delete here to delete that. We can delete, for example, files from the Bluetooth folder, download folder, for example zip files, PDFs, etc. And after these all things, we can check how much storage space we have. So let's enter the settings. Let's now enter the about phone section here, storage, and as you can see, now I do have 1 gigabyte more than earlier. And that's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.